Hi, this is Pooja. Welcome back to my channel. So yes, I'm back with another haul video, and in this haul I'm gonna show a lot of stuff which I bought from Flipkart, Myntra, Ajio. Thank you for all the love you have shown on my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. So if you're new to this channel and seeing this face for the very first time, then please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon next to it so that you'll be notified every time I'll upload a new video. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started with starting from the top I'm wearing right now. This is from the brand called Aeropostale, and I love this top. This is in sweetheart neckline, and I have already shown this in my previous haul videos, but I know that a lot of you are going to ask me the link of this top and a lot of questions related to from where I bought this and at what price I bought this. So I bought this for 740 rupees, and this I bought from Flipkart. This is from the brand called Aeropostale, and I'm in the size large for this. So it's a very pretty maroon color top. Best thing about this top is its beautiful sweetheart neckline. So the fabric is viscose, and it has beautiful tie-up detailing at the front, and at the back it is something like a smoke top. And here you will get that elasticated pattern at the back, so that it will hug your body at the right place. And yes, overall it's a beautiful top. The price is amazing, the quality is superb, and its pattern is something different from the normal top. So yes, beautiful top. And you know what, ये सारी products से मुझे cashback भी मिला है. You want to know how? Okay, let me tell you the secret. By using GoPaisa app, so what you have to do is you just have to download GoPaisa app, which is there on the Play Store. और what you can do, आप directly www.gopaisa.com पे जा सकते हैं. So GoPaisa is an online coupon and cashback app where you can earn extra cashback while shopping through this app. So it has 1500 plus brands available on their website, which is like Myntra, Ajio, Flipkart, Amazon, and a lot more. I'm going to show you how you can make a purchase on this app.
Open GoPaisa app on your mobile phone, then you can see the featured apps and everything like this, right? And you can see Myntra, Amazon, Flipkart, Ajio, different websites over there. And as you can see, there are so many deals going on every time you open the app. Now click on the Ajio icon. After that, you can see that you will get up to 10% cashback. And after that, click on get cashback, and here you have to complete the action only by using Chrome or any kind of browser. Now if I type tops and women, you will select one and select the size in the same, add to bag, and select any kind of payment option you prefer. Then your order will be successful. Now here you can see your pending status. In this case, that's why to confirm the money, they will make sure that the product is not cancelled and the return period is over.
You can transfer all that cashback जो आपको app पे मिला है directly into your bank account, and you will get extra ₹25 instant cashback if you shop from the link given in the description box below. Okay, so moving on to the haul. The first thing on the haul is this beautiful top. It's in this black color. Just look at this. Such a beautiful top is this. Yes, ये full sleeve के साथ आता है, and it's a floral top. So it has beautiful white color printed flowers with a hint of orange in it, and I love the overall detailing of this top. And can you imagine at what price I got this? I got this only for 250 rupees. Yes, you heard it right. This was on discount. I think there was a big bold sale going on Ajio, and from there I bought this beautiful top only for 250 rupees. This was originally priced at rupees 799, and after discount I paid only 250 rupees for this. So beautiful top. It's a rayon fabric, and the back looks something like this. It has beautiful back, so the neck detailing is quite pretty, and overall look of this top is beautiful. But ये मुझे थोड़ा सा loose हो रहा है. Got this in the size large, but I think मैंने इसमें medium लेना चाहिए था because इसका pattern ही वैसा है. It's like a baggy वाला. It's something like a baggy top. But so if you're planning to buy this top, then go one size down, so that it will hug your body properly. And yes, beautiful top in this black color. So this is from this brand called Fig. So beautiful top with beautiful detailing and lovely look. Okay, so next is this beautiful bag from Lavi. It's a sling bag, as you can see. It comes with this kind of sling, and it's an adjustable sling. सो द बैग इज लवली। इसका टेक्सचर जो है वो बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है। इसके ऊपर ये लावी का प्रिंटेड लोगो है आगे, एंड इट हैज ओनली वन कंपार्टमेंट इनसाइड दिस। इसके अंदर यहाँ पे एक स्पेस दिया है जस्ट टू होल्ड योर मनी, एंड देन साइड में यहाँ पे 3 पॉकेट्स है ऐसे, सो दैट इट कैन होल्ड योर लिपस्टिक्स और सम योर मॉइस्चराइजर, समथिंग लाइक दैट. The quality feels amazing. The texture is nice. Navi is a good brand, so there is nothing to talk more about this. I got this for 600 rupees, and in 600 rupees, this bag is so lovely. It's a lovely sling bag. ये आपके formal looks and casual looks दोनों के साथ बहुत amazing लगेगा. So beautiful bag. So next I bought this amazing joggers, and this is in this olive green color. The color is amazing. I love this olive green color, and it is something like this. It has this elasticated waist, and आगे थोड़ा सा different है. ये ऐसे बटन डिटेलिंग के साथ आता है, ये सिर्फ बेल्ट के साथ आता है, विच इज नॉट डिटैचेबल. सो ये इसके साथ अटैच्ड है, सो दैट यू कैन टाई अ बो और समथिंग लाइक दैट इन फ्रंट. So yes, ये नीचे यहाँ पे ऐसे इलास्टिक है. Then this is from this brand called Orchid Blues. So yes, and this is originally priced at rupees 1299, and I got this in the size 34. This is 100% cotton, but I think इसका fit थोड़ा सा different है, मतलब थोड़ा ज्यादा baggy है ये. You love this, then you can go for this. And after discount, I paid only 454 rupees for this. So I got this at a good discount. And I love this kind of high-waisted joggers. The detailing is pretty good, and the fabric feels so good. It's a thick cotton fabric, and you can style this with your crop tops and carry your sneakers with this. And yes, you're ready to step outside. So okay, so next I got this beautiful pink floral printed top. It's in this full sleeves. The pattern is something like this. बहुत ही ऐसे tiny flowers की डिटेलिंग है इसके ऊपर. कलर इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. ये ना वो एग्जैक्ट पिंक कलर नहीं है, इसमें से लग रहा है थोड़ा सा लैवेंडर का हिंट है विथ पिंक. सो ब्यूटीफुल कलर, एंड इसके ऊपर ये टाइनी फ्लावर्स का जो डिटेलिंग है ना, वो भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. सो द नेक इज सो इसके ये ऐसे वी नेक में आता है. द बैक लुक समथिंग लाइक दिस, एंड ये फुल स्लीव्स में है. आगे यहाँ पे ऐसे इलास्टिक, आगे यहाँ पे किसी बटन डिटेलिंग है, सो दैट आप इसे फोल्ड भी कर सकते हैं इफ यू वांट. एंड ये ना वो सेम पैटर्न में है जो मैंने आपको फर्स्ट ब्लैक टॉप दिखाया था, वैसे ही इट इज समथिंग लाइक अ बैगी टॉप. बट इफ यू वांट दैट स्ट्रेट वाला फिट, तो आप एक साइज डाउन जा सकते हैं, सो दैट आपको एक परफेक्ट फिट मिले. एंड ये इज लवली टॉप. दिस इज फ्रॉम दिस ब्रांड कॉल्ड द वेनका, एंड आई बॉट दिस फॉर 560 rupees. So pretty good top. I love this. Okay, so next is this beautiful leggings from Rio brand, and just look at this. How trendy is this? ये ऐसे आगे कुछ पैटर्न आता है. I got this in the size 34, and the fabric is very amazing. It is very stretchable. It is this beautiful trend. Just look at this. How stretchable is this? फिटिंग मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है. यू कैन कैरी एनी काइंड ऑफ क्रॉप टॉप अलॉन्ग विद दिस, एंड आई गॉट दिस एट अ वेरी गुड प्राइस. आई गॉट दिस ओनली फॉर 312 rupees. Okay, next I bought this 2 waist belts, and one is animal printed and one is in this black color. So this is from DNMX brand, and the quality is good. I got this for 200 rupees. So 100 rupees for each belt. Quality बहुत अच्छी है इसकी. ये animal printed belt मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था, and इसके साथ ये black belt भी था. So दोनों ही belt 200 rupees में मिल गए, and I think it's a good deal. So okay, so next I bought this beautiful sling bag from Lino Peros brand, and so just look at this. The color is so beautiful. It is in this tan color, and it has this tassel like detailing at the front with some pretty chain and golden color, and then it is something like this. So this is from Lino Peros brand, and this is originally priced at rupees 2795. It's a leather bag, and I paid something around 1000 for this, and tan color goes with almost every outfit. So yes, a good sling bag. This is ये ऐसे डिटैचेबल स्लिंग के साथ आता है, so you can detach it if you want कि आपको ऐसे ही बैग कैरी करनी है. और ये यहाँ पे ऐसे एंड ये ऐसे बेल्ट के साथ आता है, सो दैट यू कैन एडजस्ट द बेल्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर नीड. बैग में यहाँ पे एक जिप दिया है, सो एंड अंदर यहाँ पे भी एक सिंगल कंपार्टमेंट है. देन यहाँ पे भी सामने एक जिप दिया है, एंड आगे यहाँ पे आपको एक पॉकेट मिलेगा जिसमें आप आपके मॉइस्चराइजर या फिर लिपस्टिक रख सकते हो. बट मुझे ये इतनी पसंद नहीं आई बिकॉज ऑफ द रीजन कि ना ये इसका खुद का एक स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है. आई लाइक स्लिंग बैग्स जिनका वो एक बॉक्सी स्ट्रक्चर होता है, एंड यस, एंड ये इसका खुद का कोई स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है, इसलिए मुझे इतना ज्यादा पसंद नहीं आया. अदरवाइज दिस इज गुड. इट्स अ लेदर बैग, एंड इफ यू वांट यू कैन इन्वेस्ट इन दिस. Okay, so next I bought this gorgeous dress in this pretty yellow color. The color is very beautiful. It's so soothing for eyes. And this is in the chiffon fabric. इसके अंदर already एक detailing भी है, polyester detailing, and इसके ऊपर ये fabric है. So the dress is so beautiful. It's a strappy dress and पीछे यहाँ पे elastic आता है and then नीचे ये पूरा ऐसे flowy fabric है. ये ऐसे ruffle detailing के साथ आता है. And this is from this brand called Project Eve, and I got this in the size large. Then this is originally priced at rupees 2,499, but I paid only 850 rupees for this. So and अंदर की जो inner lining है वो as you can see beautiful inner lining है in polyester fabric. The fabric is amazing. This is so perfect if you are looking for a gorgeous yellow color dress. Then go for this blindly. This is very lovely. This last but not the least is this beautiful red color top. It's not that poppy red जो आपको स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है because of the lights. ये इतना पॉपी नहीं है, but it is in this beautiful neck detailing. what ये ऐसे beautiful design के साथ आता है. And this is from Code by Lifestyle and I'm in the size 16 for this. ये ऐसे short sleeves है इसकी and इसमें भी beautiful सी detailing है जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. So yes, beautiful top. So yes, this is it for today's video. If you liked my video, then give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and do subscribe my channel for more such interesting videos. Bye. We'll see you next time.